This is HP Indigo 5500, as you can see. You know, it's a very quick press, very economically friendly, you know, no make-readies, no wastage of paper, etc. We've had this machine for 11 years now, which has been one of the, you know, best purchases we've had. Quick turnaround times, and you get a good, you know, good, clean, vibrant print of it. Some of these other water-based inks aren't as, you know, eco-friendly, and also we've got qualified digital papers which are FSC certified and recycled, where other papers don't necessarily use you know, digital friendly papers. They just can use anything, where this is very specific of what's required.